Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Chemistry Post UTME past question 3. Which of the following is an acidic salt? A. NaHSO4, B. Na2SO4, C. CH3CO2Na, and D. Na2S. Now, what are acidic salts? What are acidic salts? Now, acidic salts are salts formed from partial or incomplete neutralization. And when there is partial or incomplete neutralization, it means that an acidic salt is formed. But now, it is not just formed for every partial or incomplete neutralization. Now, in the case of a strong acid and a weak base. Now, if we have a strong acid and a weak base, you notice that what? All the hydrogen ions are not neutralized. Due to the fact that the base is weak, you notice that all the hydroxy ions of the base will be neutralized. Leaving some unneutralized hydrogen ion. Now, you notice that when you dissolve an acidic salt in water, it gives you what? An acidic solution. It produces ion or forms acidic solutions in water. Acidic salts possess acidic properties in water. So it will actually act as an acid when you dissolve it in water or when you react it. And that's acidic salt. Now, like I said, there are there's a partial neutralization. Hence, we still have some unneutralized hydrogen ion. Now, NaHSO4, you notice that what? There is a hydrogen atom here that will form a hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. Now, this doesn't have hydrogen, this doesn't have hydrogen, this doesn't have hydrogen. Now, in this particular question, option A is the correct answer. And like I said, firstly, it is a salt. Now, in some questions, you'll be given some other options that are not salt, but all these options here are salts, and this is a salt, but it has a hydrogen ion, signifying its acidic property. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.